Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing great, and in this video I'm gonna give you a little bit of updates about the coronavirus situation in China. A lot of people may have been wondering like what's going on in China, and is it completely controlled here or not, or is it still locked down here or not? So in this video I'm gonna give you all these details, so stay tuned. So, according to China Daily Report published on the 2nd of May, the total number of new infection on Chinese mainland is 1. You can find the picture up there. And the total number of new fatalities is 0. So I think that's a very positive sign, and it means that the government is getting a handle on this situation in China. And the total number of suspected cases are 11 on Chinese mainland. And the total number of patients reported so far in China is 82,875. If you compare this figure to the other countries, then I think it's way lower than the number of cases in other countries like in the US, France, Germany, UK, and Spain. And the total number of cumulative fatalities is 4,633. And the total number of patients recovered so far on Chinese mainland is 77,685. Wow, that's amazing. So you can see like this figure actually reflects the overall performance of the Chinese health system. That is you can see like 77,685 patients have been recovered so far among the total number of cases, that is 82,875. You see, so it means that China is doing a great job, and they are going to get a hold on the situation very soon, hopefully. So let me tell you that the situation in China is way better than it was before, because now you can see a lot of people on the street. Like people are allowed to do their exercises, or they're allowed to to go for a walk or maybe buy grocery and things like that. But they're still not allowed to work. So I think that's the only restriction right now here. And the social movements are a little bit restricted, because even if you want to move to other cities, you want to travel, then you have to spend like 14 days in quarantine there. Yeah, so that's kind of tricky thing. And but overall the situation is much better now, and I really hope that by the end of this month or maybe next month the situation will be normal again, and people will be allowed to work. And yeah, I just remember an announcement from the government side about the schools opening. So they're opening their schools on 11th of May, and then some are, on 20th May. So like the primary school, not the primary school, like the senior school and the junior schools and the middle schools, they're going to be opening soon, like in this month. And then the kindergarten, the training centers, and the early child education centers, they are not yet allowed to open. But I really hope that like maybe this month or next month or the month after next month, they will be able to open everything. And being a foreigner living in China, and especially on a student visa, so we students are not allowed, international students are not allowed to go out of campus, and we cannot travel, we cannot go out of the campus, we can do our activities within campus. So that's a little bit hard. Like it's been more than you can say 4 months that we've been in lockdown, and we've been in like self-isolation, staying home all the time. But anyway, I'm really optimistic that the situation will get better and normal soon. Yeah, like here people have the same problem. Like people are complaining about, getting back to work because they're running out of their savings, and it's very difficult to pay the bills, and to the grocery, and the food expenditure and stuff like that. So it's a kind of hard, and people are complaining about it. But I think it's the same in almost all the countries. Like even back home, when I talk to my friends and family, they have the same problem. because the businesses are off, people are not earning anything, and it's difficult to manage these kind of stuff. And let me share some statistics about COVID-19 cases in some hotspot countries around the world. So according to China Daily, US is on top among countries highly affected by COVID-19. So the number of cases in US is 1,103,115, and Spain is on second number, and the number of cases in Spain is 213,435. And then on the third number is Italy. So the total number of COVID-19 cases in Italy is 207,428. And on the fourth number, it's UK. So the number of cases in UK is 178,685. And then after UK, it's France. So the number of cases in France is 167,305. And then Germany. So in Germany, the number of cases is 164,077. So now you can see like the COVID-19 is spreading very rapidly around the world. And I still remember when we first got the epidemic here in China, there wasn't any case in the US and in other countries. And then the other countries have started getting cases. And I still remember, like in the US, people were saying that there is only 1 or 2 cases in the US, and now you can see like, and it's not been that long. It's been like a couple of months, and within like 2 or 3 months, the number of cases has raised to 1 million, over 1 million in the US, and the same is the case with other countries. And I still remember when I used to talk to my friends, and I would ask them like, do you know about the coronavirus cases in Pakistan? And they would say that we only have like 2 or 3 cases. And now like in Pakistan, it's around like 15,000 COVID-19 cases. So, and like we have experienced this dramatic shift in the number of cases in Pakistan within like a month or so. So you see, the situation is really worse, and I'm really hopeful that the whole world will get a hold on this very soon. And I'm really optimistic about the situation, because I can understand like people are suffering, the governments are suffering, like. And on a cool note, China has sent 15 batches of medical experts to 16 different countries to assist the fight against COVID-19. Russia tallies record 9,623 new cases in the last 24 hours, and in France, state of emergency is extended till 24th July. And Zimbabwe extends its lockdown by 2 more weeks. But anyway, it is what it is. The only thing that we can do is to be grateful, to stay home, and to practice the precautionary measures, because this is for us. And I really hope that it will be over soon, because it's been so long now. And yeah, remember, it could be worse, and we could be dead, because now you can see like people are suffering socially, economically, and psychologically and physically. There are people who got the infection, as well as they are suffering the other outcomes of this pandemic. And we are lucky enough, though we are suffering financially, we are suffering socially, psychologically, but still we are healthy. So we really need to be grateful for it. And yeah, so this is all about the COVID-19 situation in China, and in some of the other countries in the world. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. So take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay safe. God bless you. Love you. Assalamu alaikum.